Welcome to the Math Pages teacher page. You need to log in. To log in, you put in your first name, your last name, and a password. Password is monster123. And then press OK. Then you come to this page and you put in all of your information and then click register. Put in my email address and I work at the school, and then I click register. Then you're brought to a terms of use page and agree with anything I say, and then click send email. Go check your emails. And it says, "Hi Frank, welcome to the Math Pages teacher section. To complete the activation of your membership as a teacher with the Math Pages, click on the following link." You click on the link and then you're brought to the Math Pages. The next time you log in, you just come directly here. Let's go and try that. I go to the teachers page and I put in Frank and Stein and then monster123, then press OK. We have registered and logged in.